Hello, everyone. We've all been in a situation where we've sent a message on WhatsApp that we wish we could take back. But thankfully, the messaging app is finally rolling out a new feature that allows you to edit sent messages. In this video, we'll show you how to do it step by step. First, ensure that you have a latest version of WhatsApp from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Then, open WhatsApp and locate the recent message you want to edit. Please note that you can only edit a message within 15 minutes of sending it. Once you've found the message, press and hold on it until a menu appears. You'll see various options like star, reply, and delete. Tap on the edit option. The selected message will become editable, allowing you to make the desired changes. You can modify the text, add or remove emojis, or include additional text. After making the necessary changes, tap the Send button to save the edited message. The message will now be displayed as edited in the chat history. It's essential to be aware that the other person in the chat will receive a notification that the message has been edited. Moreover, if the recipient has already seen the original message, they will receive an unread notification alert for the same message. Please note that this feature is rolling out gradually. So if you haven't received it after updating WhatsApp, you should get it eventually. You now know how to edit sent messages on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.